Hello friends, welcome to educlinics.com. Educlinics, where future begins. Today's topic is number systems part 1. The learning objectives of number systems part 1 are the necessity and purpose of learning number systems, and the next one is number systems classification, natural and whole numbers, and frequently asked questions on natural and whole numbers. These are the learning objectives of number systems part 1. Number systems purpose and necessity and purpose of learning number systems. Why do we need to study about number systems? So as we know that numbers play an important role in our lives. So what is the purpose of learning systems? Step by step we will explore some of them. So first one is for ease of living. For example, exchange of goods with currencies, and also for identification of persons and things. So for ease of living we require numbers. So to discover or invent new things, for example, telescope invented by Galileo. So for inventing telescope we require mathematics. So mathematics needs numbers. So to discover or invent any new things we require numbers. So next one is for saving time, money and energy. So for example, estimating men, materials, time and cost required to complete a project. So by estimating we can avoid last minute overheads or unforeseen expenditures, which means the lesser project costs. So that means we are saving money as well as time, and with these two we are saving energy also. So next thing is to protect natural resources or conserve natural resources. For example, natural resources are like air, water, oil, gas, metals, etc. are limited in nature, and hence saving will be done using the available quantity in numbers and its usage quantity in numbers. So with these numbers we will estimate the future requirement of natural resources and how to protect the current natural resources. So next one is for business management also require these number systems. So for example, financial statement for future scope of business. So for any business they require financial statement which includes profit and loss statement. Profit means again in numbers and loss means again in numbers, and balance sheet also made up of numbers. So for future scope of business we require numbers. So real life applications of number systems we will see. So first one is the calling a family member or a friend using mobile phone. So it requires a mobile phone number. It is a 10-digit number. So the mobile phone requires a 10-digit number. So this is one of the application. And next one is personal photo identification and address identification proof for opening bank accounts, booking tickets and to avail other government services requires an Aadhaar card number. Aadhaar card number, it is a 12-digit number. So this is another example of real life application. So next example is calculating your monthly budget for your food, transportation and other expenses. For example, for food rupees 5000, for transportation rupees 3000, etc. are required numbers. And next, bank account number, credits, debits of an savings or current account requires numbers. So these are some of the real life applications of numbers. And now we will see the number systems classification using Venn diagram. So first, innermost number systems are natural numbers, that is natural numbers represented with capital letter N, and the numbers start with 1, 2, 3 and so on. And next, numbers are whole numbers, which includes 0 and together with natural numbers it forms a whole numbers, and it is denoted with capital letter W. And next is integers, which is represented by Z, letter Z, and which includes all the whole numbers and natural numbers and also negative numbers. So it is -1, -2, -3 and so on towards these are called negative integers, and 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, these are called positive integers. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative integers. And next is rational numbers, which is represented with Q, and these rational numbers includes all the integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. So it is in the form of ratio, so that is 1/2 or -3/2, or in the decimal, terminating decimals 2.25 and so on. So these are also infinite numbers are there towards positive or negative, these rational numbers. And next is irrational numbers. Rational numbers which is not represented in the form of P/Q is called irrational numbers. And next is real numbers. The real numbers includes all the rational numbers and irrational numbers, and these are also all the number systems included in this. It is also represented in any form of the below included number systems, that is in ratio, in root or negative integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, all the number systems includes in real numbers. And next is complex numbers. It is denoted by C, and which is some of the examples are there, root of -1 or 2 plus 3i. So this includes all the real numbers, in turn rational and irrational, integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. So these are the number systems classifications using Venn diagram. Okay, next is, these are the brief about number systems classifications. So some more numbers are available in the whole numbers, those number systems classification. So natural numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers. These 4 number systems are included in whole numbers. And next is integers, and after integers we learn fractions, decimals. After that we will learn about rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers and complex numbers. So the complex numbers includes all of the above number systems. So first we will learn about natural numbers, and in the further session we will learn natural numbers, whole numbers. So now first, natural numbers. The numbers used for counting are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These counting numbers are called natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is denoted by capital letter N, and thus the set of natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and this is the number line, and the representation of natural numbers on the number line is like this, and the 1 is the smallest number, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. there is no last or greatest natural number available. Okay, so about natural numbers means definition and set of natural numbers and representation of natural numbers on a number line, and smallest digit and the greatest digit. And next is whole numbers. The number 0 together with the natural numbers makes the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, which are called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is denoted by capital letter W. Thus W equal to the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and this is the number line. And representation of whole numbers on a number line, the smallest number is 0 and there is no greatest whole number, and it starts with 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are the whole numbers. And next, whole numbers, real, natural and whole numbers real life applications. So natural and whole numbers are counting numbers which are used most often in the real world. So we will see some of the real life applications of natural and whole numbers. So the age is represented with whole numbers, and here 5 number is a number belongs to whole number and it is represented age. And next is pin code, postal index number, which is also uses whole numbers, that is 560011. These are the whole numbers that is used in pin code of for address identification, address identification. And next is house number, that number 55 is the house number. It is also a natural and whole number, belongs to natural and whole numbers. And we will see some of the real life applications, some more real life applications. So this is car, this car having identification number, that is called car registration number, that is represented at APX 2862. So 2862 is also a whole number. And next is bus. Bus is having two identification numbers, one is route number, another is registration number. The route number shows 17 by 10K and the bus registration number shows 6085, AP11Z 6085. So these are the identification numbers for vehicles. So it requires a numbers for identifying the things. The Hindu-Arabic number system is used in our daily life. In this number system we use 10 symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Each of the symbols is called a digit or a figure. And we will see the Indian place value chart. In this chart we have periods, places and values. So what are the periods? Available periods are units, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores and arabs. In places, units means 1, tens means 10, hundreds, 100, thousands and 10,000s belongs to the periods of thousands. So 10,000 means 10 to the power of 4. And next, lakhs. In lakhs period we have places lakhs and 10 lakhs. Lakhs means 10 to the power of 5, 10 lakhs means 10 to the power of 6. Like that, crores. In period crores we have 10 crores and crores. Crores means 10 to the power of 7. 10 crores means 10 to the power of 8. Similarly, Arabs also. Arabs 10 to the power of 9 and 10 Arabs 10 to the power of 10. Okay, this is the Indian place value chart. And we will see the international place value chart. In this we have same periods, places and values. In these periods we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions and trillions. And similarly the places are ones, tens, hundreds, 1000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, 1 million, 10 millions, 100 millions, 1 billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, like this. Trillions also there, and the values are ones means 1, tens means 10, hundreds means 100, 1000 means 1000, 10,000s 10 to the power of 4, 100,000s 10 to the power of 5. These are belongs to the thousands period, and these millions periods, the values are 10 to the power of 6 means 1 million, 10 millions means 10 to the power of 7, 100 millions means 10 to the power of 8. These are the millions, and next comes to the period is billions. So 1 billion is equal to 10 to the power of 9, and 10 billions means 10 to the power of 10, and 100 billions means 10 to the power of 11, and this is belongs to the billions. And next is trillions period. 1 trillion means 10 to the power of 12, 10 trillions means 10 to the power of 13, 100 trillions means 10 to the power of 14. So this is the international place value chart, and next we will go to the number systems continued, and this is place value. What is the place value? The place value of a digit in a number depends on the position it occupies. And face value, the face value of digit in a number is the digit itself. So face value means the digit cell itself. And for example, in the numeral 6872, the place value of digit 8 is 8 into 100, means 8 is in the hundreds value, place value. So the 8 is multiplied with 100, then is equal to 800. So the place value of digit 8 is 800. So the face value of digit 8 is 8, because the face value of digit in a number is the digit itself. So that's why the digit is 8. So the face value also 8. And next, for the digit 0, the face value as well as place value is the same, that is 0. And next is successor. So what is successor? The successor of a number is the number that comes just after it. Means successor means it follows. And for example, successor of number 15 is 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So successor of number 15 is equal to 16. Similarly, predecessor. Predecessor means predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before it. That means previous number. For example, predecessor of number 15 is 15 minus 1 equal to 14. So predecessor of number 15 is equal to 14. So these are the place values, face values, successor and predecessor of a numbers. And next, frequently asked questions in exams that belongs to whole numbers and natural numbers. One is representation of whole numbers on the number line, and next is finding place value and face value of a digit in a given number, arranging numbers in ascending and descending order, formation of numbers using the given number of digits, finding successor and predecessor of a given number, finding smallest and greatest numbers of a given numbers, comparison of whole numbers. Okay, these are the frequently asked questions in exams regarding whole numbers and natural numbers. Okay, thank you for watching, and we will see in the next part 2 of number systems. Thank you for watching.